Oh, thank you. Oh, God. Oh.
왜 화내?
Ah, shit. Oh. Ooh. 죄송합니다. Do you guys speak English?
Yeah.
Sorry, I was filming like a prank video. So like weird sneezing was all about. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Sorry.
It's okay.
죄송합니다. 저희 사실 유튜브에서 몰래카메라 촬영하는 채널이거든요. 그래서 오늘 주제가 그 이상한 재채기예요. 저기 위에서 지금 촬영하고 있었어요. 혹시 방금 촬영한 거 짧게 그 리액션 그 영상에 사용해도 괜찮으세요?
네,
감사합니다. 채널명 외한 프랭크라고
네.
유튜브 검색하면 위에 나올 거예요.
진짜 재밌었어요.
네, 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 보내세요. 감사합니다. Ladies, I'm so sorry. I was actually filming a prank video. We're sneezing. Right there is, he's my cameraman. Do you guys mind if I use your reactions for like 5 seconds?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, thank you. My channel is called KF Prank on YouTube.
Prank?
Yeah, right.
Okay, we'll check it out.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Guys, I'm so sorry. I was actually filming a prank video. Sorry. Guys, sorry. I was actually filming a prank video like we're sneezing. So the camera is right there. Do you guys mind if I use a reaction for like 5 seconds? Yeah? Thanks. My channel is called KF Prank. 네. 감사합니다. Bye.